I think the greatest thing is doing for others. Most of my life has been volunteering wherever I can, whenever I can. It's not what you have or can take with you, it's what you leave behind. I've been a Little League umpire, and I say Little League both boys and girls, for better than 30 years. I had to give it up when I went to my eye doctor and he said, "You have macular degeneration." I can't do it anymore because even though you're supposed to be blind to be an umpire, it's still not a good idea. My father died when I was 2 years old. He had an aneurysm in his brain or head or somewhere up there, and he didn't make it. My grandfather died from a AAA, or the abdominal aortic aneurysm. So it's a hereditary thing. I must have barely fallen asleep, and I woke up just sweating like I was in a sauna. I'm thinking, there's something wrong here. I called my daughter. The next thing I remember was the paramedics and the gurney and my daughter all coming down the hall to the bedroom. So they helped me up. We walked out into the hallway. I got on a gurney, and that was pretty much it. They took me to the hospital here in town. They ran some tests on me here, and then they took me by ambulance over to Detroit again to see the same doctor I'd seen the last time I was over there. The first time I met Dr. Nypaver, I had the right groin aneurysm. I think it had burst by then. But he said, "I remember you." And I said, "Well, good. Take care of me." And I woke up the next day in intensive care, feeling great. I didn't have any pain or any complications. It sounds like it was quite an interesting operation. Something I wouldn't mind seeing a film of, but not my own. I'm 80 years old, folks. I walk a little funny like an old man, which I am, other than leg problems, which is not from that surgery. It's been pretty good. I cook my own meals, I do my own laundry, I clean my own apartment. Not being able to umpire is the only thing I really feel that my health has stopped me from doing anymore. 2 years ago, they didn't have evidently the procedure that they used on me to fix this particular problem. I am very thankful that these doctors have come up with these different procedures and all. The whole medical industry is moving so fast. And the great minds, and with the help of the man upstairs, what they're coming up with to keep people going, it just blows my mind, so to speak.